Ikaw.
We pop those bubbles and let's have fun. Pop those bubbles one by one. Pop those bubbles, run around. Pop them all before they fall to the ground. Pretend you're